go, guys. Episode 10 on the garden tiller will end like this. So, that belt, too short. That one, too long. Using MTD part numbers. Imagine that. None of them fit. Anyway, I normally give a project 3 or 4 days before I send it to the scrap. This one has gotten more time because I really needed the tiller, but I'm done with it. I'm ready to just take a sledgehammer and beat the living shit out of it and then scrap it. But someone offered to buy this one and the other tiller, so they will be going to a new home because Joey is ready to have a heart attack because he's so mad he can't get a belt for it. And I'm pretty sure the new owner won't either, but hey, that's on him. Okay, this is the end of episode 10 and the end of this piece of crap garbage MTD garden tiller project. Now let's go buy a brand new one. Bye-bye.